Ooh, look at how shiny and moisturized those curls are. Do you see it? I'm gonna let you guys in on my full deep conditioning routine, which I do once a week. And it's a lot of work, no cap. But if you want your curls to be popping and moisturized, then make sure you watch until the end. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys my natural hair journey. So I decided, why not start with a deep conditioning routine, because it really is the basis of hydrated and moisturized hair. So you guys want to have a good routine in general, but definitely your deep conditioning routine. So as you can see, my hair is in sections. It's really, really important to work in sections. That way product will be distributed all over your hair and your curls gonna be popping, okay? So I already co-washed my hair. Right now I'm just fully saturating my hair. Water is your #1 friend. Okay, so you can see my curls are already popping because my hair is hydrated with water. I'm gonna go in with my Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask. I love this stuff. Okay, it's so good for my low porosity hair. I use it when I really need a good strengthening conditioner. You see it's really creamy, so I like to rub it all in my hands, warm up the product, and then just start at my ends and work the product in. So you're going to see me use a bunch of different methods to actually get this product into my hair. So right now I'm just working it all in, getting that kitchen, because got them bees sometimes, okay? But I'm just working it in, and I'm going to split my hair again because as you can see there's no product in there. So you have to, even though you're already working in sections, split again to get that product all in your hair. And I'm about to knock down the camera. Okay, so I'm just working it in more and more. So you see that I'm still dipping it in water a little bit because water is moisture. So it's really important to fully saturate your hair. If you have to sit under there for 10 minutes to really get everything saturated, then go ahead and do that. And the curls is popping. Look at that shine. And look at that bounce. Yes, so you just really have to get that product in there. You see, I just keep working it in, and it's so shiny. And I really care for my ends because they are the oldest part of my hair, so I really make sure my ends are really covered with product, and also my roots, because they get a little dry and they do get pretty frizzy, so really focus in on them. And you see I'm still working that product in, like I'm still making sure that every strand is covered, and I'm going to take little bit by little bit and finger detangle. For me, I've just noticed that when I finger detangle, I have less shedding. I do use a Denman brush most times when I'm styling, but I finger detangle usually, and look at the curls. So I'm going to go in with my Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm kind of going to do a little hot oil treatment. Y'all remember back in the day when we used to heat up the oil packet and put it on our scalp? That's pretty much what I'm about to do. I'm just getting a little bit though and massaging it in my scalp. And then I'm going to put a little bit on the ends of my hair. Just because, like I said, the ends are older and you want to make sure that they get plenty of moisture. Oh, and guys, I'm looking to the side because I have a mirror in my shower so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to go in with my Scalp Massager. And this is just getting the hair follicles, you know, activated, waking them up so your hair can grow. Just massaging my scalp. I'm dedicated to my scalp massages, y'all. Like, this gets the product all in there and just makes everything, just seals the deal, okay? Yes. Oh, and it feels so good. And I'm kind of tender-headed, so I try to be gentle when I'm doing this. So Once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and twist my hair up. And then I'm just going to pin it up so all that moisture just stays in there. It's all wrapped up in that ball, so it ain't going nowhere. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my next section. I'm going to do the same process. I'm saturating that section with water. Your hair plus water equals love, okay? So I'm just massaging all of my scalp to really get that water in there. I'm doing the praying hands method. So right now you see I'm just working the product in, rubbing it on my ends. And you're going to see me do different methods. So I'm getting that kitchen. I'm not going to go into full detail about the different methods that I use to get the product in there. I am going to just touch on them like I said, but if you guys do want me to do a video on that, I definitely can do that for you guys. But this one's focused more on the actual deep conditioning routine. So you see I'm splitting my hair up into even smaller sections and working that product in. And I'm just being very gentle, guys. It takes a lot of care and TLC with your hair, so just be patient and you'll start to see the changes, and just embrace the journey, because that's really what it's about. For me, I've just learned to see like, wow, this is how far I've come, and I love it. Look at that. My hair never used to do that before. I didn't even know my hair could curl before I was natural. So I'm back at it with the scalp massages. And I just do this for maybe about 5 minutes each section. I'm not about to be massaging all day. So I twist this section up and I'm going to pin that as well. Then I'm just going to keep working around my head. So deep conditioning with heat is probably another one of the most important aspects of your deep conditioning routine. So you see I put the plastic caps on, and now I'm applying my heated cap. This one I can put in the microwave and it gets really hot. But I'm going to go ahead and actually sit under my hooded dryer. I got my glass of wine, which I need a refill. So I'm under my hooded dryer. Yes, this is the old school hooded dryer. And I'm just going to sit under here for about 30 minutes with the heat on high. And you see I refilled my glass of wine, and now I'm about to grab my computer and probably edit some videos and just chill here for 30 minutes. Now I'm out of the hooded dryer, and I'm just going to remove this cap. I can feel the heat all underneath the plastic cap, so that's good. So now I'm going to apply my deep conditioning cap, and I love this thing. I think I got it from Sally's, or I know that there's some on Amazon. I've had this for so many years, but this is what I deep condition with, and it's hot, and I'll sit here for 30 minutes again. And look at those curls, you guys. They're so juicy and just super moisturized. My deep conditioning routine did it again. That texture ID did it again. Make sure you like this video. If you guys enjoyed it, go ahead and comment down below any other natural hair videos you guys want me to do. Okay, I'm ready. Sharing my journey with y'all. Let's go. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And ooh, look at that bounce. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.